In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request money on GCash. By 2026, the easiest and most reliable way to ask for a payment in GCash is through your personal QR code, and I'll walk you through exactly how to do it, plus a few tips to make the process smooth and secure. Start by opening your GCash app. On the home screen, look for the QR button and tap it. This takes you straight to the QR options. From here, choose Receive Money. The app will display your personal QR code, which is linked to your GCash wallet. Think of this as your secure payment address in a scannable format. No need to type numbers or spell anything out. Before you share it, you can optionally enter the amount you're requesting. This is helpful because it fills in the exact figure for the sender, reducing typos and back and forth messages. If the amount is fixed, set it now. If it might change, leave it blank and the sender can enter the total on their end. Once your QR code is on screen, you have two simple ways to use it. If you're face-to-face, just show the QR code and have the sender scan it with their GCash app. If you're not in the same place, tap the share option and send your QR code through your preferred messaging app. Keep your sharing focused. Only send your QR to the person who's paying and avoid posting it publicly to prevent unwanted transfers. From the sender's side, the process is straightforward. They open GCash, scan your QR, confirm the amount if you set one, or type it in if you didn't, and approve the payment. Once they confirm, the money is sent instantly to your GCash wallet. You should see the balance update right away, and you'll receive the usual in-app confirmation. This QR-based method replaces the old request button and is now the preferred approach because it's faster, more accurate, and reduces errors. It also keeps things simple for both parties. No need to exchange long account details or wait for manual confirmations. A couple of final tips to keep everything running smoothly. Make sure both you and the sender have a stable internet connection and the latest version of the app. Double-check the amount before you share your QR or ask the sender to confirm it before paying. And if you're handling multiple payments, consider setting the amount each time to keep your records clear. That's it. Open GCash, tap QR, select Receive Money, optionally set the amount and share or show your code. Quick, clean, and hassle-free. And see you.